Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the F350 project once again. I guess I can call this let's make the F350 great again project, because then from now on I'll be doing maintenance stuff, upgrades, making things better, cleaning things out. So we saw how it started in the previous video after sitting for 2 weeks. It was a little bit hard to start it, but now that it's set for about 12 hours, let's give it a shot. Let's see how it starts right now. And then I'm gonna do a little additive. And we'll talk about this more in just a bit. All right, she started a lot better this time, and I'm guessing maybe because it's set too long, the diesel had to be pretty much sucked all the way from the tank all the way to the engine, and also maybe because I haven't driven it that much, we had some burn off diesel here and there in the cylinders, and that's why I couldn't start it well before. I don't know, but after driving it for quite a bit yesterday, I think I put about maybe 70 to 80 miles on her, and I did step on it quite a bit and put it through some gears pretty good, so maybe burned off all the junk that was sitting there. But yeah, it started much better now. So anyways, I got some SeaFoam. This is really good stuff. Supposedly keep hearing good things about it. It works for diesel engines and for gas engines. It cleans injectors, carb jets, stabilizes fuels, all that good stuff. So I decided to give it a shot and get some for the 7.3. So for diesel, it says to put 1 ounce for every gallon. And yesterday when I was driving back from work, I filled up the truck with 25 gallons. And this one has 16 ounces. So 2 would be 32. So maybe it has a little, like maybe 27, 28. So 2 of these would be, I think, sufficient enough. If it's okay if it's just a little bit more. It's actually maybe even better if it's a little more. So I'm gonna put 2 in the gas tank, and then 1 I'm gonna put into the oil crankcase. And for the crankcase, it says to put 1 ounce for every quart. And the 7.3s have, I believe, 15 quarts. That's including the oil filter. So, and since these are 16 ounces, that would be exactly kind of what you need for the whole crankcase. And then I'm going to let it run for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to let it sit and soak whatever it does. And then I'm going to drive the 25 gallons worth of diesel. I'm going to use all that up. And then I'm going to fill it back up again to full tank. And then I'm going to drain the oil and change the oil filter. And also change the fuel filter, the diesel filter, which is the one up here. So once that's done, we'll see how she does. I mean, right for now, she's running really good. But we'll see if that improves anything. Let's put this stuff in, start her up, and let her idle for 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes, and then turn it off, and then maybe go for a little drive. Alrighty, let's go. All right, so I let her idle for about 15-20 minutes. So now I'm gonna let it sit for, I don't know, hour or two, and then give it a little drive, and then see if over time it improves. And also the ABS light is on, so I picked up a rear ABS sensor because it was hit in the rear before. So I'm guessing it's gonna be maybe the rear ABS sensor. So I'm gonna change that up and see if the ABS light goes away. So that'll be it for this little quick video. I'll update you guys on the SeaFoam and how it works out later on after I run the 25 gallons. And then tomorrow I'll be probably doing the ABS sensor, so I can swap that out and see if that gets the light to go away. So I'll do a little video tomorrow. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. See ya.